Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. This is the first time I've picked the camera up since coming back from Thailand over a week and a half ago, but we have been working through the Thai videos, so I hope you enjoyed that lot. But we have just tricked Ellie. It's her 18th birthday tomorrow and we've just drove down to Alton Towers, and we didn't tell her that we're staying here. Yep, we're staying at the Enchanted Village here in Alton Towers for 2 nights, and tomorrow we are going into Alton Towers. But have a look at this. Look at this for a room. It's like Frodo's cottage. And there's Ellie, the birthday girl for tomorrow. How old are you tomorrow, Ellie?
18.
You're 18 tomorrow.
Don't go in the bathroom.
Don't go in the bathroom. Why not go in the bathroom, Ellie?
Occupied.
There's Mammy in there, yes. But anywho, this is our enchanted log cabin here at the Enchanted Village in Alton Towers. And Ellie didn't know anything about it. She thought I broke in. So let's have a look around inside of here, and we walked around, and yeah, she thought we broke into the place. So this is where me and Emma's going to be. Through these curtains.
It's a bit dark.
It's a bit dark. We haven't got the lights on yet. Where's the light switch for it? Do you know where the light switches are?
Oh,
no, they'll be in here somewhere. Let's have a look. There we'll go. With all the whimsical artwork on the wall and the floor. And then we have the bunk beds, each with their own little individual light on a night time. A little window to peer out to the outside world. Look at that. And we can't go in there. We do have an accessible room, which means we don't have stairs to get into the place. Where if you look at the non-accessible ones over there, they have stairs to get in. These are the accessible ones, and with the accessible ones, you can park right next to it. You don't have to park in the main car park and walk down. But yeah, the Enchanted Village, everyone. There seems to be a fairy house in our room too. Tea and coffee making facilities with biscuits, amore amongst. Chocolate bourbons. I can show you the accessible bathroom now. It's no longer occupied, so I'm not sure what the normal ones are like, but this is a roll-in to a walk-in shower or roll-in shower, grab rails, etc. I imagine these are slightly larger than a standard bathroom. I think you get a standard bath in the non-accessible ones, and yeah, I prefer a shower, so even better. We've got a pair of ducks coming into our room. How enchanted is that? Hey duck. Hey duck.
Daddy. I was going to see if I could give it a little stroke on
There goes the monorail.
Monorail.
Yes, that was Adam the Woo and Tim mixed up. So as part of our stay, we get extraordinary golf included. So that's where we're going now.
Just got to see where I end up going. Except off the course. Oh no, back on the course.
Back on the course.
Where the heck did it go? Is it actually stuck? Two.
Three.
Nowhere. There's misery. Go on then, keep going. One. Can't you get it? Can't you make it?
Yep.
3. If I had goggles, I'd see if they're working.
There was a fly landing on the ball. That's what the issue was.
Oh, was it? Ooh, Nelly. You can either just make it go forward, or you can attempt to put the ball into that.
No, do it.
There's a gap, I'll put you out, and it will literally mimic whatever he had dreamed. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Rolling. Still slightly moving.
It's still going. It's going to get stuck.
In the egg. Oh, Ellie. Ready? In front of this old McDonald's window. Start from right here. I want to bounce it quickly.
You must escape. We're counting down. Get the engine ready. Go, go, go!
3, 2, 2, Ellie.
Look where she ended up.
Escape. We're counting down. Get the engine ready. Go, go, go!
Got it.
Ooh, hole in one.
Yes! Good one.
Unfortunately, these holes are closed. Wah, wah. But these ones look much better than the course we're on. This is the West Coast, where we are on the East course. And like I say, unfortunately, the West course is closed today.
Didn't happen.
I just managed a hole in one. Unfortunately, nobody films me, of course. Nope. But I got it. And this is the last hole. Unfortunately, Jewel doesn't exist anymore. It's been replaced with the Curse at Alton Towers.
Alton Manor.
Alton Manor, sorry, you're correct.
Ah!
Oh. So that was extraordinary golf, the East course, and now we're going to head up to the top of the car park where I've just seen parts of the new Nemesis track being laid out. Just came in on the trucks, so we're going to get a sneak peek. Not going to say it again. Monorail! Unfortunately, these sections of track are actually covered over. But I know the colour theme anyways. It is black with red veining. But look. There's some of the inversions. So as you may or may not know, Nemesis is getting a full re-track. And it's due to open again next year. And all the new track is here. Wow. Well, obviously not all the track. But you know what I mean, some of the track, and there's some just pulled up there now. So yeah, full steam ahead on the Nemesis retrack. Well, as you just saw, we've just been to the Alton Towers Hotel for the evening entertainment. We're going to head back to our room now in the Enchanted Village. And I'll see you all in the morning for breakfast. Good morning and welcome to Alton Towers Enchanted Village. And happy 18th birthday, Ellie. Whoop, whoop. Chicken soup. Where's my baby girl gone? Anywho, we're going to go and try the breakfast now. And it's supposed to be a full English buffet breakfast. So yeah, let's go give it a go. So that was our breakfast here at the Enchanted Village at Alton Towers at the Crooked Spoon restaurant. And it was very good breakfast, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was very good, and it was all you care to eat, so you can have as much as you want. But we didn't, because we're going to the park now, but that's for the next video. So see you all tomorrow.
And now it's time to do your job.
And it's
My birthday.
whoop whoop.
Chicken soup.